All right, welcome back to 6 News at 5. Well, as you can see here on our Central Texas Almanac, we're spot on with our average highs and our high temperature today. So you can see we hit a high of around 88 degrees. The average high is 88 degrees, so we're just right on the spot today. It's very toasty across the state of Texas right now and pretty much across our region as well. You see many of us are holding on to the mid to upper 80s. How about 87 down there in Hearn, 87 in College Station, 87 in Waco right now, 85 in Gatesville, 84 in Goldswaite and Hamilton. But up there in Corsicana, it's a little cooler because they're dealing with some rain-cooled air. And you can see here on satellite and radar, for most of us, we're pretty dry as of right now. Now, our far northeastern and northwestern counties are running into some shower and thunderstorm activity, and that's all because of this stationary boundary up here. And because it's just stationary, a lot of this activity is going to remain stationary. It's not going to move much. And with that being said, that's why we can see some flash flood advisories in effect tonight. So just keep in mind of that. If you are far northeast and northwest, could run into some shower and thunderstorm activity tonight because the Storm Prediction Center has actually placed us as of this evening under a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk. So what does that actually mean? Let's go more in depth with that. So you can see and every time you get an isolated severe thunderstorm, for the most part, it's limited in duration and coverage and intensity. You could see some storms produce wind gusts as high as 40 to 60 miles per hour, maybe some hail up to an inch in diameter. Now, overall, the tornado risk is on the lower end. So let me walk you through it here on Futurecast. This model does a good representation of what we're actually seeing outside right now. So thunderstorm activity will continue in our far northeastern and northwestern counties until around 9:30 p.m. before we'll start to see the activity diminish. So as it loses that daytime heating, a lot of the fuel it needs for these storms will really start to dissipate. You can see here's 3:15 in the overnight hours. A lot of that shower activity pretty much dissipates. Now, as you start your Memorial Day tomorrow, I think we'll have abundant sunshine throughout a good portion of the morning. But once we get into the afternoon hours, we could see a couple of spotty bouts of rain here and there. But for the most part, most of us will be dry for most of the day on Memorial Day. So as you can see, I just have clear conditions, maybe a couple of spotty showers here and there, but for the most part, we're dry. We're gonna do the same case for Tuesday as well, just starting off dry in the morning. Afternoon hours, we keep some spotty conditions as well. Overnight lows will be into the 60s tonight. As far as your Memorial Day forecast goes, I got 71 to start off your day. By the afternoon, abundant sunshine, 86 degrees, and then the chance for some isolated showers. Looking ahead into your Wednesday, as we move into late Tuesday into the overnight hours Wednesday, rain coverage is going to increase to about a 60% chance. So that's something to keep in mind. We're going to see some pretty widespread precipitation on Wednesday, and we're looking to receive anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to about 1.25 inches for rainfall within the next 7 days. You can see here on your 7-day forecast, we'll hold on to the 80s, maybe even hit the 90s by next work week, but you can see rain chances remain in the forecast. If you mix this forecast, you can watch your 6 News app. It is free, and who doesn't like free?